help your friends. And after that, we went to our favorite restaurant. I consider it my favorite. Our favorite restaurant.
Yeah, our.
Yeah. It's one of our favorite places to go.
Well, one of many places that we like to go.
Yeah, one of the many. But this one's the rarest one that we go to. And the reason being, it is kind of on the pricey side for the portions that you get. But I'm actually really satisfied with what I just got because I got something different than I usually got, which was falafel pita. So it was more filling. I'm decently full right now, and I feel really good. That was a good meal. I really enjoyed it. That hummus. They changed their roasted red pepper hummus. It's spicy now. It's so good. It's okay if you look like shit. I just walked in the most looking like a straight up bum. So anybody could see my snatch. I don't give a fuck. But it was having a fucking fabulous hair day.
Hey Janice, what's it made of? Your mom's chest hair.
Me too. Don't fucking stare at my brother. Whew. It's been a good day.
Yep, it's not over yet. Oh my god.
And now we are in the car, on our way to Ashley's. I'm assuming she's home by now.
So that was her for a second.
I did too. I was about to say, oh my god, hey. Hey.
Woo, bless you.
Oh, that felt so good.
Coronavirus.
Coronavirus. Shit is getting real. I love sneezing. Gives you a head rush. My nipples are hard. Sorry.
Alrighty then. I wish my nipples got hard every time I sneezed.
It happens to me all the time. Yeah, we're on our way to Ashley's house. We're just gonna hang out for a little bit. I'm probably gonna smoke a blunt with her. And Joe will just sit there smelling it. A lot of people hate the smell of weed. I love it.
It smells good as long as I'm not like
Inhaling. Usually, I don't know if anybody else ever noticed this before, but like certain types of coffee beans, like depending on I don't know anything about coffee beans, but like depending on what kind it is, because some of the ones that we have at my store, you open the bag to pour into the machine, and it smells like weed. And it's usually the dark roast that smells like it.
Dog, your blends come from Colombia.
I mean, we have Colombian. It's a big possibility.
I mean, that could be a possibility as to why it smells like weed.
Yeah. Where do you want to go?
I have no idea. I mean, I would have, but I didn't think about it until I got right here.
I'm using my fingernail to dig food out of my teeth. Whatever works.
You know, whatever works.
Falafel.
Why are you so quiet over
No, I'm just in my phone. I got drop timber though. Hey guys, do you know where the crapper is? I gotta do something mysterious in there.
Steven!
We have a Chipotle too, and it's been here for like a year, and I've still never had it. I keep on hearing people say that every single time they eat Chipotle, they get explosive diarrhea, no matter what it is they eat. Fuck. What, you gonna cut across?
No.
Going to Five Below?
Yep.
Damn, after I just told you I can't spend no more money, you take me to this cheap ass fucking store.
That's fine, I'll buy you something.
Oh, who's gonna buy me something?
Oh. Get you something shaped like a dildo or a vagina. Get you a taco. Get you a candy taco. Fuck you in the pussy you wrote it on.
Shit, I wish I wrote in on fucking pussy. Lord, have mercy.
Wow.
Home Alone.
Did you bring one with you?
What? Bring what?
Face covering in case they're like...
Oh, yeah. Because this is the world we live in now.
Do not say it's the new normal. Don't make me slap you, bitch. Because
No.
it really doesn't need to be the new norm.
No. Shit, when the SARS thing happened in whatever place that it happens, somewhere in Asia, I don't know. People still wear face masks to this day because of that shit. But their air quality is so fucking bad. So fucking bad that people wear masks all the time. Alright.
He's spreading corona. Corona I be spreading that is up in your mama's pussy.